Hello everyone, I am Priyanka from Memory Keepers. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you my unboxing of my DT kit. I'm guest designer for the color door. It's an Indian brand, and this is the latest launch from them. It's called the Wedding Story. So let me give you a flip through of this paper pack. So it has 24 papers, 12 by 12, and it's 240 GSM, and they have 12 different designs and 2 sheets of each design. And look at the color palette, it's so soothing and yet so different. First of all, look at this couple here, and this pastel peach shade, and this lace design in the back, and these small little flowers. I love all the detailing and the color combinations of the flowers, just so pretty. And the next design is this one. This is wooden planks with a lace design and this beautiful card that says just married. And the whole color palette, the color combinations are just so different, and I'm too excited to work with this. This is the third color. Look at this, so pretty. Next one is the flowers. This is the background sheet. Another one, lilac, and then they have this black with this wedding gown, and it says bride all over. Love it to the core. And then there's a repeat of colors now, so this is like floral swirls and on the all pattern on the whole sheet. And this one is the next sheet. Get the scripting and this small detailing in the background. Now this is the groom sheet, and they have done a bow tie, and it says the happy tale journey of life and groom. And then there's another sheet of the foliage, and we have this purple sheet. Look at this frame, this small details, this intricate design of these swirls and these slides, and how can we forget the wedding cake here. Love it. Now the last sheet is this heart shaped locks. This is the with black background, and we have some musical notes in the background. Okay, so now the designs are repeating itself. So that's the paper pack. Okay, now we have some coordinating things which comes with the paper pack. So this is Polaroid stickers. It's quite thick, so they are quite good to use. And the other one is this. These are chipboard stickers. It says bride squad, groom squad. Just lovely. You don't need anything else. No die cuts, nothing. They have provided with everything in this paper pack. Then we have the element sheet, and this is the one pack, and it contains 4 papers of 6 by 12 inch. If you just carefully notice, they have given this line to cut it, the fuzzy cutting. You don't need to guess with the scissors where to cut and what. So you can just move on this line, and you'll have a perfect white border on your these images. But they've given everything. You don't need anything else. So well thought out, and all the elements are just so easy to work with, and you'll be ready with your cards and albums in no time. Look, they have given all the sentiments as well. So this sheet is like a repeat, but loving it totally. Then we have another pack. So this is element sheet 2. First is the frames, and then we have these journal cards, and this is another journal cards, so pretty. And then we have some sentiments and some frame. These sentiments are much needed in cards, journals, or photo albums. You can't miss this. And then they have given this coordinating color flowers. These were the same which were in the pattern paper. So it's called flowers and foliage. So this is the sheet 1. This is number 2. Get the bunches. This is sheet 3. Wow. Flower sprays and wreaths. Number 4. Okay, so we have 6 designs. Wow. And then we have 2 foliage. Look. Wow. Okay. Next they have given this alphabet stickers. This is chipboard stickers, and you can easily write the name of the bride and groom or the date of the wedding. We have numbers as well. So pretty. And then we have this beautiful net. It's in 2 colors, golden and silver. It's good for texturing and giving some background things. And then we have these pom-poms. These can be perfect for your hanging on your spine. They come with a keychain. So pretty. The colors are so well coordinating. And then I have these sequins. This is a lime green and yellow color. Okay. And then I have this crochet ring kind of thing, and it's just going to give some more texture to the album. And the coordinating colored cardstock, and it's called Carnation Pink from the Color Dough. Okay, I also got these Diwali Tag Sheets. This also comes in with 4 designs, so it's perfect for your cards and your gift boxes. You can embellish them as Diwali is just around the corner, and it also has all the sentiments here. I hope you guys like this. I'm so excited to work with this. Just keep on watching my space to see my creations using all of this material. Do check out the Color Dough on Instagram and Facebook. You're gonna love the quality and the products. Thanks for watching. Bye.